Okay, so here we're going to evaluate the inverse cosine of 1/2. Again, we need to remember the definition. We did this in an earlier section. Again, you might want to go back and review that if you forgot. But the definition of y equals inverse cosine x is the cosine of y equals x. But the angle y has to be between 0 and 90 degrees, 0 and 180 in order to have our one-to-one relationship. Because in order for a function to have an inverse, it's got to be 1-to-1 past the horizontal line test. So, to begin, let's let y equal our inverse function. Take the cosine of both sides, we get the cosine of y. The cosine of inverse cosine of 1/2 is just 1/2. Well, let's draw this. That angle is positive. All functions are positive in the first quadrant. This is between 0 and 90. Cosine is negative in the second quadrant. If this was negative 1/2, we would draw our reference triangle in the second quadrant. But it's positive. All trig functions are positive in the first quadrant. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, 1/2. And this is the 1, 2, square root of 3 triangle. Opposite the square root of 3 is 60 degrees, so y is 60 degrees. But at the beginning, we let our expression equal y, so this expression is y. Y is 60, therefore our expression inverse cosine of 1/2 is positive 60 degrees.